Hey, good morning, guys. So Dr. Feelgood here, Newport, North Carolina, not far from Morehead City on the coast. And this is the crowd I work for, Ace Refrigeration. Been doing HVAC for 20 some odd years now, and I want to just give a little demonstration of what we're doing here with a superior chemical treatment for protecting coils and heat pumps in a coastal environment on the beach. And you can see that I've done a little leg work here, and I've taken all the panels and tops and fan motor and opened up this brand new 3-ton Gmc. And what we're doing is applying this chemical. It's called InfiniGuard, and I'm going to let you see the bottle, InfiniGuard, and I'm going to just scroll the paragraph because the sun's so bright I cannot see the camera view. It's not a cheap product. It's about equivalent to a couple bottles of R22. So if you add that up from your local supply house, you'll get the roundabout figure of this 1-gallon jug. But it does take a catalytic resin or whatever, and you mix it in there, a small container, and you pour it in there and you swirl it around and it activates it. And they recommend not to store it in a hot van all summer long, keep it in a cool environment. So the procedure is, from the representative that came down from Georgia a few weeks ago, and we did a demo on 2 mini splits, that we clean the unit with a degreasing agent, degreaser, spot remover, no acid, no ammonia, no bleach, and non-flammable. Boy, that's not very fun if it ain't flammable. It takes the fun out of it. But you wash it down and you get all the grease out of it. As many of you guys are familiar with new GMCs and trains, and there might be a little oil and residue on the bottom base pan. So I've already done that. And then we take an electric leaf blower, no 2-cycle, no exhaust, no oils, and when you're done washing it out with a water hose, your cleaner and your pump sprayer, you degrease it the best you can, and take your blow dryer or leaf blower, and you go around and you blow every drop of water out, everywhere, no water. This unit and the fan and the 4 sides and the covers are bone dry with no grease, no oils, no residue. So my next phase now is to take your high velocity, high pressure, low, whatever it's called, your spray gun. And we're going to pour this chemical into this container, and we are going to spray this unit inside out, top to bottom, the fan and all the sides, the filters, the filter dryer, the accumulators in there, and there's a black muffler device in there. And if you've been around for a while, you know what I'm getting at. And see, there's the box for this unit. So you clean it and you dry it and you set up your shop. This chemical is supposed to protect the unit from salty, corrosive environments, so it does not appear like this. Now, I started a video a few minutes ago, but my memory ran out, and I just spent 20 minutes deleting videos on this Wally World telephone so I can get more memory space on the phone here. But here's a GMC that came from the house with 2 mini splits. I don't know if I posted those videos yet. I don't think I have, but I got 3 videos on 2 mini splits on the edge of the ocean sand dunes. This is another GMC. You'll recognize it. If you've been around, you'll recognize it. And this is what we're attempting to eliminate. So between this temp star unit that is totally flaked out and that GMC that's totally flaked out, there's a couple air handlers there, but what we're going to do is spray this unit top to bottom, inside out. This is supposedly a globally known worldwide product. InfiniGuard. I thought there was a letter T in there, but there's not. It's not Infinity, it's InfiniGuard coating, you know. And so what we're going to do is spray it top to bottom, inside out, and we're probably going to put it in tomorrow morning on the beach, Atlantic Beach condominiums. And the deck platform, I'm going to guess, is probably 500 feet from the sand dunes. When we get hurricanes and windstorms, that sand will overwhelm a unit, and they never get washed out until I show up and wash it out. There's stories behind all that. But this is going to be a part 1 video of this particular unit. Later on, when it dries and we put it all back together, it will have a very high gloss. It'll be very glossy, kind of like a polyurethane, you know, something you put on your floors to give it a thick look to it, but still see the grain and all that, you know. So anyway, this is just a little preparation, and I'm going to try to do this. This is the container. There's a cap right here, and I hope I don't run out of memory. I just deleted a whole bunch of old videos that I really don't care for, but I'm saving videos that I need to upload, and I'm going to try to do this with one hand here. Come on, oh shit, hang on, there we go. Yeah, that lid was a little bit tight. See a little crust coming out of here. So I got this thing between my knees here. I'm going to just pour a little bit in here because I don't want to do a whole lot of spraying with the camera in my hand. There's going to be a lot of misty vapor floating around. It's not real windy. The representative, I can't remember his name at the moment, recommends not to do it on a high windy day. Okay, so I'm going to put my back in the wind, and you'll see that. Okay, we're good to go. The compressor down there is ready to go. But if it is windy, you don't want a lot of windshields and vehicles and all your nice cars. I'm not saying these are nice vehicles, but you just want to be careful on where the wind blows. There's the boss man's future ride, his Cadillac. But that's another story. But you know, the goal is to spray and spray and spray and spray and spray. You can see the mist. So I'm trying to keep my back. Oh shit, damn. Better save that. I don't want to lose that. Accidentally kicked it over there. But this is, you know, a quick demo. In a couple minutes, I'm going to get down inside of the unit and get the bottoms of the filter dryer and the accumulator. See the mist coming out? That's what you don't want. You don't want that on your windshields, and you don't want it on your telephone camera lens. The representative says you can spray it all. Look, spray it all. Just spray, 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 spray. You know, over, inside out, all over. And this is supposed to protect the coil you know, I'm just doing a quick demo. I'm going to stop the video here so I can really get down into it. But when we're done, everything is going to be very glossy. A lot of high gloss on it. I'm going to do another coat there because that's what he says to do. Alrighty, so this is going to be a part 1 of probably 2 or 3 parts. I don't know where I can hang this safely. Yeah, okay, that's good for the moment. But anyway, with those old units that you see over there that has not been treated, those are only 5 or 6 years old, and compared to these, I got 2 or 3 videos of 2 mini split Daikin units, mini splits, that we put in on the beach, and they are planted on the ground extremely close to the sand dunes of Atlantic Beach, North Carolina. So hang tight. There will be another video made when it's completed, and with good sunshine you'll see some high gloss on it. Let's play around here for one moment here, but what we're going to do is just spray and spray and spray in one coat. Oh shit, the mist is about a 5 or 10 mile an hour wind here. We're going to do a couple coats here, and then we'll flip it around and, you know, just do the other side. Everything. See, look, this container is already dry, but this is just a quick demo, and it's probably hard to see, but, you know, the wires and everything already has a glossy shine to it. So hang tight. I will be back. There will be another part. This is part 1 for a homeowner of a beach condominium, and his platform deck outside the condominium property is roughly 500 to 800, less than 1,000 feet from the sand dunes. And with the hurricanes and the storms and the salt air and the haze and humidity, you know, the sand will stick to a machine like a magnet. So this is let's see, the 2 mini splits and 2 or 3 other GMCs we have done. I haven't really documented them yet, but they're on the phone. I got them on file. I just haven't uploaded it yet to the YouTube channel. But anyway, hang tight. This is Dr. Feelgood, Newport, North Carolina, Carteret County, down by the Crystal Coast of North Carolina. Stay tuned to the back channel, and we shall return. Adios, amigos. Later.